will see about the MO energy level diagram. Of first row element. The first row of the periodic table consists of two elements, namely hydrogen, atomic number 1, 1s1, and helium, atomic number 2, 1s2. And hence their homonuclear diatomic molecules will be H2 molecule and helium molecule. Since these are the first row element, it consists of 1s orbital. So the combination of two 1s orbital gives formation of two molecular orbital, that is sigma bonding molecular orbital and sigma star antibonding molecular orbital. Their combination, it is called as SS combination. Let us consider the first ion, that is H2 plus ion. So let us consider the formation of H2 plus ion. This H2 plus ion formation can be shown by the equation H plus ion gives H2 plus ion. Hence, the H2 plus ion consists of two hydrogen atoms and one electron. The MO energy level diagram for this H2 plus ion can be shown in this way. This is the energy axis. These are the atomic orbitals of hydrogen, and it has the electron configuration 1s1. On this side, the H plus ion, which consists of 1s orbital, but the 1s orbital is vacant. So these two atomic orbitals, they overlap to form one bonding molecular orbital, that is sigma 1s, and another is antibonding molecular orbital, that is sigma star 1s. Now since H2 plus ion consists of only one electron, we can fill up the electrons in these molecular orbital by using the above principle, and this electron occupies the sigma 1s bonding molecular orbital. So by making use of this MO energy level diagram, we can write down its electron configuration. So the MO electron configuration can be written as sigma 1s 1, and from this MO energy electron configuration we can find out the stabilization energy and the bond order for H2 plus ion. The stabilization energy it is given by the formula number of electrons in bonding molecular orbital into minus beta plus number of electrons in antibonding molecular orbital into plus beta. So if you put the values in H2 plus ion, the one electron is present in the bonding molecular orbital, so it becomes 1 into minus beta plus 0 into plus beta, and hence we get the stabilization energy as minus beta. This stabilization energy suggests that that H2 plus ion is somewhat stable and it occurs in the spectra when hydrogen is discharged at high pressure. So when you the bond order also can be found out for H2 plus ion. The bond order is given by the formula as half into bracket number of electrons in bonding molecular orbitals minus number of electrons in anti-bonding molecular orbitals, and thus the bond order is 1/2. So the stabilization energy and the bond order suggest that the ion is somewhat stable. The MO energy level diagram also shows that there is presence of one unpaired electron in the sigma 1s bonding molecular orbital. So this ion is paramagnetic in nature. Similarly, we can see the MO energy level diagram for formation of H2 molecule. Hydrogen atomic number 1, 1s1 is the electron configuration. H2 molecule is formed by the combination of two hydrogen atoms. It gives H2. Hence, the MO energy level diagram can be shown like this. These are the atomic orbitals of hydrogen. This is 1s having one electron. On this side, hydrogen atomic orbitals are shown. 1s orbital containing one electron, and these orbital they form the molecular orbital sigma 1s bonding molecular orbital, and the another one is sigma star anti-bonding molecular orbital. Now in this formation of H2 molecule, there are two electrons are present, and thus these two electrons they occupy the lowermost energy orbital, that is sigma 1s bonding molecular orbital, and hence from this diagram we can write down the MO electron configuration as sigma 1s 2. We can also calculate the stabilization energy by using the formula number of electrons in bonding molecular orbital into minus beta plus number of electrons in anti-bonding molecular orbital plus beta. Hence 2 into minus beta plus 0 into plus beta, and thus the stabilization energy is minus 2 beta. Similarly, we can calculate the bond order half NB minus NA, and it becomes half into bracket 2 minus 0, and the bond order is 1. This indicates that in hydrogen molecule there is one bond takes place, like one bond is formed. The next molecule is He2 molecule. So in case of He2 plus ion, the formation of He2 plus ion can be shown as He plus ion gives He2 plus ion formation. Helium atomic number 2, configuration is 1s2. So in helium 2 ion plus ion, there are 3 electrons present in this system, and hence the MO energy level diagram can be shown in this way. Helium atom, the 1s orbital containing 2 electrons. These are the atomic orbitals of helium, and He plus ion, one electron has been removed to form He plus ion. So there is one electron in 1s orbital of He plus ion. So these combine to form the sigma 1s bonding molecular orbital and sigma star 1s antibonding molecular orbital. Now there are three electrons. These two electrons from He atom and one electron from He plus ion. And now we can fill up the electrons in the molecular orbital. Each molecular orbital can accommodate two electrons according to above principle, and the third electron will enter into the sigma star 1s antibonding molecular orbital. So from this MO energy level diagram, the MO electron configuration can be written as sigma 1s 2 and sigma star 1s 1. We can calculate the stabilization energy. It is number of electrons in bonding molecular orbital multiplied by minus beta plus number of electrons in antibonding molecular orbital into plus beta. So 2 into minus beta plus 1 into plus beta, and therefore the stabilization energy is minus beta. The bond order can be calculated, and the bond order is half Nb minus Na. So if you work it out, it will come to be equal to 1/2. This also suggests that He2 plus ion has somewhat stability. Now let us consider the formation of He2 molecule. So in He2 molecule, two helium atoms combine to form He2 molecule. So the reaction can be shown like this: He plus He gives He2 helium, atomic number 2, configuration is 1s2. So the MO energy level diagram can be shown like this. This is 1s orbital of helium atom consisting of 2 electrons. This is another helium atom having 2 electrons in the 1s atomic orbital, and their combination will give rise to the formation of sigma 1s and sigma star 1s for He2 molecule. So these are the molecular orbitals. So the 4 electrons in He2 molecule, they occupy the molecular orbitals in this manner. And if you calculate the stabilization energy, you will find that the stabilization energy is 2 into minus beta plus 2 into plus beta, that becomes equal to 0, and the bond order is half into bracket 2 minus 2, that is number of electrons in bonding molecular orbital minus number of electrons in the anti-bonding molecular orbital, and the bond order becomes 0. And therefore this suggests that He2 plus molecule is not stable, it does not exist. Thank you.